Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the prize-giving ceremony of the third annual Mirpuri Foundation Sailing Trophy here in beautiful Cascais. My name is Francisco Lufinha, and I will be taking you through this last part of the event. To tell us a little bit more about this event, I would like to call to the stage the president of Clube Naval de Cascais, Mr. Gonçalo Esteves. Here we go. Microphone.
Good evening, everybody. Commodore Monteiro de Barros, President Arnoso, President Magallan, dear guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Clube Naval de Cascais and Marina de Cascais. It's a very important day for us. It's a very important day for the sailing world. I would like to start to thank to the classes that made this happen. I will start with the optimists, the young generation. They are the future of our clubs. They are the future of our sports. We have been sailing these 2 days with them, along with people with 3, 4, 5 generations above them. And we sail in the same race course, with the same wind. They were not afraid of the wind today, we were. It's an amazing event to the club to have the optimists and the big boats together. In Clube Naval de Cascais, we have a sailing school with the sponsor of Mirpuri Foundation. Recently, I was able to sign with Paulo Mirpuri himself another 4 years for this amazing project that we have over here that brings to the Clube Naval de Cascais every year 1,200 new students, new young sailors to our sports. So it's very important for us. It's very important that they understand to respect the sea. It's very important for us that they understand the importance of the sustainability that we need to have in this era that we're having now. And they are the ones who are going to be the living of the seas in the next generation. So thank you very much, Optimist class. Thank you very much to the clubs that joined Cascais. I would like also to thank the two teams that were involved, the team behind this stage with Francisco Meli Castro and 100 people that was helping him, and the team of Clube Naval de Cascais, with Sebastião Osório de Castro and his team. I would like to thank also to Marina de Cascais. It was a very important sponsor for us in this event, and all these supporters that without them we will not have this level of event. This is the third event of many. Mirpuri family wants to give a legacy to the sailing and the sailing in Cascais. We are starting with this event now that we are on the third edition. In 17 years we will be in the 20 and so on, and I'm sure that many of us that we are here now will be soon saying, it's already the 10 or the 15th edition. It's very important for us to have this legacy that Mirpuri Foundation wants to give to Cascais and to the sailing. To finish, I would like to thank the Mirpuri Foundation, the Mirpuri family, the brothers and sisters of the Mirpuri family, and last but not the least, I would like to thank to Luis and Paulo Mirpuri that are always with us in this event, and this event is made because of them, and it's made because of their capacity to involve everyone.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Gonçalo and Clube Naval de Cascais. Now I would like to call to the stage the president of the Mirpuri Foundation, Mr. Paulo Mirpuri.
Thank you. I will be brief on my words. I would like to thank you your presence, your participation. This event will not be possible if all the teams that we had on the water were not here. And it's really a great pleasure to sponsor the Clube Naval de Cascais. It's a great pleasure to promote the sailing sports through the Mirpuri Foundation. And we look forward to have you all here next year racing together with us again. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mirpuri. So, two of the brands that have been supporting since the beginning are North Sails and Helly Hansen. So to support the youth, you young sailors that are here, I'm going to call, please, Mr. Vicente Pinheiro de Mel, because in the name of North Sails, he will do a draw to give one of you one North Sails Optimist sail, okay? So I ask, thank you very much, Vicente. I will ask you to pick paper from inside. How will it work? Yeah, there's an opening here. Maybe turn a few. Ta-na-na-na. All of your names and sail numbers are here. And the sail, exactly. Where is the sail? There's the sail. You can see it over there. And the winner.
And the winner is Manuel Matos Pinho.
Manuel Matos Pinho. And the sail, please. May I picture you? Thank you very much, Vicente. Congratulations. Now, for the Helly Hansen prize. Helly Hansen will offer 3 1,500 euro checks to the 3, now I think I'm talking to the back part, to the youngest 3 sailors from the NHC class winners. Okay, so I'm revealing a little bit who the winners will be. So to award these prizes, I would call the president of the youth committee at Clube Naval de Cascais, Mr. Ricardo Shadow. Please join us at the stage. Thank you, Ricardo. So I'll ask you to say the names in third place from the boat.
From the boat Pé de Mar, Bernardo Pina.
Bernardo Pina, the youngest sailor from the boat Pé de Mar. There is Bernardo. There is Bernardo. Stay here for the picture. Thank you very much. Let's wait for the... You can go now. Congratulations. You can cash it out at the end. Second place,
Cristina A, José Magalhães.
the sailor is José Magalhães from the boat Cristina A. José Magalhães from the boat Cristina A. Não está cá, okay, so we'll keep it. Let's move on to the first. You can deliver the first one.
The first.
So from the boat
Okay.
Racional, João Lopes.
Nacional, João Lopes.
Exato. Thank you very much. João Lopes is the youngest sailor from the boat Racional. Congratulations, João. Thank you, Ricardo. I'll call you back in a minute. So for our next award, this is the Mirpuri Foundation Ocean Award. It is created to recognize excellence in the scientific community and reward the most innovative projects designed to positively impact the health of our oceans. Ladies and gentlemen, to award the winner of the 2022 Ocean Award, again, please, Mr. Paulo Mirpuri. The Ocean Award over there, the award. And the winner is Tainá Garcia da Fonseca. Tainá Garcia da Fonseca. There she is. A 5,000 euros check. Congratulations. Thank you very much. And now, let's start awarding the third annual Mirpuri Foundation Sailing Trophies. Optimist class. I will ask again Mr. Ricardo Shadow if you can come back, representing the youth here at Clube Naval Cascais. Here you go. Give me a hand. Exactly. Third place,
Luísa Marie Newman, California Yacht Club.
Luisa Marie, congratulations. Third place, under 12, under 12.
Optimist Under 12, Francisco Quartim, segundo lugar, Associação Naval de Lisboa.
Second place, Francisco Quartim. Congratulations. Congratulations. And now the first female is
Luísa
again,
Marie Newman, California Yacht Club.
again. Congratulations again. First place, Sami Hiatalahti. Sami Hiatalahti. From Finland. Congratulations, Sami. Congratulations, Sami. And now moving on to Optimist under 15. Third place is.
Tiago Santos, Clube Naval de Cascais.
Congratulations, Tiago. And in second place,
Juliana Borba Bastianelli.
Juliana Bastianelli. Congratulations. Yacht Club da Bahia. And wait, you can stay here. So the first female is again Juliana Bastianelli. From Yacht Club da Bahia. Congratulations. And in first place,
Manel Plantier, Associação Naval de Lisboa.
congratulations, Manuel. Congratulations, Manuel. Thank you very much, Ricardo. Thank you. So now, let's move on to the SB20 class. For this, I would like to call the president of Aporvela, Mr. João Lúcio. Please, João Lúcio, can you come here? There he is. The president of Aporvela. Welcome to the stage. Okay, so you can help me. In third place for the SB20 class, the boat is Live Sail Cascais, and the skipper, Diogo Machado Pinto, Lourenço Mateus, the team, André Viana, do Clube Naval, from the Clube Naval de Cascais. Live Sail Cascais. Your team, Lourenço Mateus, André Viana. Pode ajudar. Congratulations. Thank you. So, second place. The boat is called Inetum, Positive Digital Flow. Hugo Mastbaum, Luís Queiroz, Pedro Garcia, from Clube Naval de Cascais. Inetum. Inetum is coming here. Congratulations. Congratulations once again, Inetum. And now, for the first place at SB20 class, B team, Stanislav Gordienko, Artem Bazalkin, Eva Stutze, Wilhelm Ustrin. Please join us to the stage from Clube Naval de Cascais. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, João Lúcio. Thank you. Now let's move on to the ORC class, to the bigger boats. I would like to call to the stage the Vice President of Federação Portuguesa de Vela, Mr. José Pedro Dias Pinheiro. José Pedro Dias Pinheiro, if you can join us in the stage. There you are. Welcome to the stage. Okay, so third place for ORCB, B, attention B, goes to, who's next? Gonçalo Saraiva Mendes, Associação Naval de Lisboa. Who's next? Tirar uma fotografia aqui. Third place, ORCB, who's next? Gonçalo Saraiva Mendes. Congratulations. I will ask a bit of a help from you. So, in second place,
Django 1, Jorge Alves, Clube de Vela do Sado.
Django 1, skipper is Jorge Alves from Clube de Vela do Sado. Congratulations. Congratulations. And now, for the winner of the ORCB class, Too Hot to Handle, from António
António Tanja
Tanja.
Correia, Clube de Vela do Sado.
Too Hot to Handle. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you. And now, the awards keep going. The classes are a lot, so I ask for your patience. For the ORC A class, I would like to invite to the stage the Honorary Commodore of Clube Naval de Cascais, Mr. Patrick Monteiro de Barros. Warm applause. Thank you very much. So, the third place for ORCA is the boat Cristina A, skipper Francisco Brito Abreu, from Clube Naval de Cascais. Cristina A, Francisco Brito Abreu. Congratulations. Vou deixar aqui com uma foto aqui no meio. Pode ficar aí. É ali então. Congratulations. So, in second place, Racional German Kitchens, Miguel Buntegraça, Clube Naval de Cascais. Racional German Kitchens, Miguel Graça, congratulations. Congratulations once again. Checkmate. So, you can do the honors. The winner is...
Checkmate!
Checkmate! Hugo Prista, Associação Naval de Lisboa. Congratulations, Checkmate. Thank you very much, Patrick. No tip. Later, maybe later. So now for the NHC class overall corrected time, I would like to call and help me out with the prizes the Honorary Commodore of the Stad Yacht Club, Mr. Manrico Yakia. Mr. Manrico Yakia, welcome to the stage. Thank you very much. I'm fine. So, I'll have a microphone, please. A microphone, please. Just one microphone, please. Here you go. I'll ask you to tell the name of the third place This is the boat, this is the skipper, this is the club.
So, Pedemar, Rui Rijo Ferreira, Club Náutico de Almada.
Congratulations, Pedmar! Rui Rijo Ferreira. Clube Náutico de Almada. Here they are for a picture over there. Welcome on the stage. Maybe a little bit to the center, please.
Bravissimi.
Congratulations once again. Now we move on to second place.
And now, Cristina Ea, Francisco Brito Abreu, Club Naval de Cascais.
Okay, again, Christina A. Once again at the stage. Here they come. Maybe we can go a little bit. Congratulations! And now, for the final, the winner of the NHC overall,
Rational German Kitchens, Miguel Bunta Grassa, Club Naval de Cascais again.
vamos Miguel! Nacional German Kitchens, Miguel Graça, Clube Naval de Cascais. Congratulations! Thank you very much, Mr. Marico. It was a pleasure. So now is the time for the real time, also known as the line honors. So who got there first? To deliver these awards, I would like to call again the president of Clube Naval de Cascais, Mr. Gonçalo Esteves. There you are. Thank you very much for joining me again. Here's the microphone. So the third place in real time goes to...
From Associação Naval de Lisboa, checkmate from Hugo Prista.
Congratulations, checkmate. There they are. Checkmate, Hugo Prista, da Associação Naval de Lisboa.
Pelo Zé Carlos.
Woohoo! Congratulations once again. Thank you very much. And now for the second place, real time.
From Royal Ocean Racing Club, Johans Schwart Green Dragon.
Congratulations, Green Dragon. Congratulations, Green Dragon. Woohoo! Thank you very much, guys.
I'm staying.
And now, for the winner of the real time for the cruises. First place is
The first place is to a boat that represents two clubs, the Stad Yacht Club and Clube Naval de Cascais. The boat is Green Eyes, Paulo Mirpuri.
congratulations. Green Eyes, Paulo Mirpuri, Clube Naval de Cascais.
I can kindly ask the crew, our crew, to join the stage.
Green Eyes crew, please come to the stage. Congratulations once again, Green Eyes from Paulo Mirpuri. I will call you back in a moment. You can go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Gonzalo. So now, still on real time, the winner of the VO65. To announce that winner, I will call the race chairman of the ocean race, Mr. Richard Bricius. Mr. Richard Bricius, here you are.
All good?
All good. I think you have a few words for us.
Well,
I'll leave the stage to you.
it's just what a great evening and what a great Mirpuri Foundation Sailing Trophy. And I think we all in this room and around the Mirpuri Foundation Sailing Trophy, we share one big love. And that's the love for the sport of sailing. It's the most beautiful sport there is for young people, for old people, for whole life. So let's thank you everyone for this great and importantly, we wouldn't be here without the great vision and the great dream of Paolo and Luisa Mirpuri and the whole Mirpuri family. And I think, Paolo, you have in particular showed that you are a man of great visions and great dreams. And we all love dreams and we are dreamers, but very few realize your dreams as well as you do, Paolo. And in addition to us all, a big hand for Paolo. And I think we all share the love of the sport of the sailing, but we also share a dream. And that is that next year, the ocean race, the round the world race, will have its 50th anniversary. And we will, in pretty much 1 year's time, sail past Cascais on the final leg into the grand finale. And I know we all share the great dream of a Portuguese entry in the next race. Let's keep dreaming, guys. And now, move on.
Thank you very much. You will announce, so if you may. The winner for the first place VO65 is
Mirpuri Foundation Racing for the Planet.
with skipper Jack Boutel.
The skipper Jack Boutel for the Club Naval de Cascais.
Congratulations. Congratulations once again. Please don't leave the stage. Thank you guys. Hold on a little bit. So now we have the perpetual trophy. And this is going to be shared between this team and a team I would like to call. But first, I would like to call Commander Carlos Mirpuri to award the perpetual trophy in the stage. Here you are. Thank you very much for joining us. Would you like, okay. So now I would like to call the crew of Green Eyes, Paulo Mirpuri, to join here on one side. Maybe you guys can stay on this side. Thank you very much. On the other side, please. I think it's different colors. So now the trophy will come to the middle with Commander Carlos Mirpuri. Maybe here in the middle, if you may. And I would like to ask one representative of each team to grab the trophy, as well as Commander Carlos. And wait a little bit. On the count to three, on my count to three, please put the trophy in the air. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! The perpetual trophy, Mirpuri Foundation Sailing Trophy. Congratulations to both teams. Don't leave yet, please. Is it okay for the picture? So now, for one last picture, I would like to ask all of the skippers that won a prize today. And I mean from the Optimist till the big boats, but only the skipper on the big boats, please, and bring your prize, if you may. So the skippers of all boats that won a prize today, please come to the stage. And this will be the final picture. All skippers, Optimist as well, come and bring your prizes. You can maybe have a seat here. Or a knee, exactly. You can stay here in the first line. Racy, join us, Racy. Skippers from the other classes, SB20, NHT, ORC. Please join us, all the skippers. Some more confetti. Congratulations. Woo!
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel it. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel it. That tonight's gonna be that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel it. That tonight's gonna be That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna
Thank
be
you, everybody.
a good
And see you
night.
next year.
That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. I'm feeling.
Thank you, everybody. See you next year for the next Mirpuri Foundation Sailing Trophy. Thank you very much.